Hi, I'm Anup, and I welcome you all to Blue Saffron, the podcast program of corporateshitak.com, sponsored by Jani Plastics. And you're about to receive knowledge on Indian and Australian GST, goods and service tax. Yeah, you got it right, mate. Let's get started, shall we? GST in Australia in general. The goods and service tax system was introduced into Australian taxation system on 1st of July 2020. The GST is one of the significant changes to the Australian taxation system since the introduction of the Original Income Tax Assessment Act in 1937. Taxation of goods and services is primarily levied through the legislation contained in a new tax system, that is GST Act 1999 Commonwealth, and is administered by the Australian Taxation Office, IDI. Goods and service tax is broad-based indirect tax of 10% on most goods, services and other items sold or consumed in Australia. It replaces the various other taxes such as wholesale sales tax and state other indirect taxes. We'll see that. Some of the things don't have GST included. These are called GST free. Introduction of GST also altered the taxation system by introducing two more taxes to compensate the competitive market of luxury cars and wine industry. Introducing 10% to luxury cars will make luxury cars cheaper. Therefore, a luxury car tax at the rate of 25% was introduced under a new tax system, Luxury Car Tax Act 1999. Similarly, to make the wine industry competitive, a wine equalization tax at the rate of 29% was introduced under a new tax system called Wine Equalization Tax Act 1999 Commonwealth. GST is tax on final consumption and is collected through the step process so that tax is charged on each stage of the production chain. So B2B, the tax travels. At the same time, the buyer is able to claim the credit for the tax on their purchases, and the ultimate burden of GST comes on the shoulder of the ultimate consumer, that is the end user. So my dear listeners, I hope you enjoyed the audio. I also hope there was some takeaway for you. Signing off now. We'll come up with more interesting episodes. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Keep liking your one and only Blue Saffron. Cheers. Bye-bye.